Hello, Madam Asisima Kamu Africa Professor, Mom speaks first, my chief linguist, Africa Professor, and Ekasa. Send any day the Canvas platform, non subscribe, we are bomb, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and like it. And I will hit the notification bell, anything be a my upload a new video, and you'll be among the first to get into one more time. We Africa Professor unfiltered. Mom speaks first, my chief linguist. Bibi and Ekasa no, it's unfiltered. So until Baha, Bibi Amekasa be a men son of Sumikasa, we and my view. And the crane back up and subscribe or share and no. Now you know move conversation together. And then come up with once again a reaction to and I say response to a video be a me make here and will be commenting. Say be a me he want my response and I said me comment my perspective. And then come on to me say when did Asantehene say he is God or Nyame, the creator of heaven and earth? The Ben Asantehene be being a person, and I say, if you are Asantehene, and I say, mom supports Asantehene, Ashanti Kingdom Castle, Asantehene, Yankupon, or boss on the assassin. Intino, I rather so bit my man, and I say, the Ben and Asantehene being a no, Acase, we Yankupon. Na on the boss to Bassas, and I say, to me, in I and a dear, every area, the Ben or Casa, the Ben, I mean. Then the Ben or Casa, they tell Marcus answer me a video bin and say about Asante this, Asante that, will be as Asante, you say Asante, I say near them, so be commenting on no the perspective since I want to make arguing to some extent, but the person channel say, she say, no, I say, Obia Basantini dia, na Eka Santini dia, na Obia Otumfoᴐ Ebani no more a send threatening message in any money, my meme whom be lamented. The companies of that no more send a threatening message to Nipakra or criticize Asantehene. Na Yayan said, ye fish Asantehene in Yankupon. And now they say, yes, someone Asantehene someone near that. And I'm saying, and until my yes, video one until Nam the person chance say, yes, it's true. I do agree, say Asantehene ni party seeing or to me or power, ni status, and I say the position in Ghanaian society, and I said global, different, and I say higher. But the point is, Asantehene could get a baby as we Yankupon on the boss to Bassas on the bomb from Mama Nipa. Said because the intimate Asantehene, yin I who said, Utimi quite sorry, Anglican, or call Landion said, even Kumasi incipient near the idea, or Kubunko to get our altar Nimji communion in a then Yankupon, Ubunko to go will be in Yankuponi ultimate power. Australia assassin Alpha and Omega, or no Australia assassin before, will be to me be anywhere, and I say, power be anywhere channel. Namely, Asantehene Susu admit it or acknowledge it, because he's a Christian or acknowledge it. Yankupon the born or boss to the assassin, maybe we do in saw your when you Obiabu Ako. Asantehene acknowledge that. Or could you never be me and also in Yankupon? Now, me, I'm say, confusion, be a lot of people. Some, especially those outside Ashanti tribe, and I say those detractors no more. Omu recognize, and I say they don't, which is even and yet it's not even that serious. Say recognize Asantehene status near there, but the point person making is say omu ni Asantehene to me in the status ne the position to me. Omu na dream say Otumfoᴐ and I say somehow no. Or more support to Asantehene Nyame because of accolade and I say compliment and I say Mrania Omuba Asantehene say Osei Tutu Nyamekese or Otumfoᴐ Nyamekese. See, Otumfoᴐ Nyamekese a figurative, a metaphor, and yet literal meaning, and I say exact meaning of the word Nyamekese. Then you're making a big mistake. A term, and I say a bodia. And Kofoka, I say, Yedi can, Adi, a peja Asantehene, the status name, Nansibio Umuye event mini identity. So, what is Asantehene? And I say, Asantehene for, Palace Class, Nubi, Omoka, Otumfoᴐ Nyamekese. Then you just say, Asantehene and Asantehene so in Yakupon. Asantehene me and Nunca so in Yakupon. And he would never open his mouth and say so in Yankupon because Asantehene in Yankupon. San nipa da sini bia in Yankupon. Otumfoᴐ kɔ asɔre den kɔbɔ kotodwe agye communion or admit it or that humility no called J in your teachers and credit or one and to see a casse Otumfoᴐ Asantehene Osei Tutu Nyamekese ufa literally meaning exact meaning. Now there's difference between figurative speaking and literally speaking. The literal meaning, you know, ufa exact word for word, verbatim word for word meaning of certain word. No? And figurative media is just a metaphor. It's just you making, you know, association, and I say you making comparison. So now with some emphasis, and I say we emphasize it with comparison. And it's your case or say to we emphasize it, said you know, baby figure be, and I say baby, you know, for you know, true comparison. And you know, so because make it you know, none just or say Asantehene in Yakupon, Asante go in a baby in Yakupon, and Caso in Yakupon. And now back to the question, Obi Sam say, Otumfoᴐ Ubun Asantehene dia na omuba be threaten no ni adade ye poku ana say omu send you threaten death messages ni adade no. The point is there's difference between constructive criticisms and tribal criticism. Me the problem me want to say I don't have any say problem me want to say who criticize it Otumfoᴐ ana say penibia nese Asantehene for example me use Asantehene no the position and yet taxpayer supported position. The ben what is a government send this car and I say you gigi Ghana for Oscar near the Asantehene. So it is all case Prince Charles cry criticizing her. Yes, Prince Charles and I say King Charles no you're criticizing of Britain because King Charles no taxpayers money Britain, England, United Kingdom, almost taxpayers' money, and they support to Buckingham Palace. And I say, some monarchy, no, Britain, no, it's true. So, and you know, public person, they support to you know, British citizens, taxpayers, they have every right to criticize the king. Now, the Ben who say, Omo criticize the king, or Omo dinatum, and now king, you say, where I bought a question, where you say. So, and simply, Asantehene, now criticizing, now be a any criticism, did the attempt. Now did not attempt, and Asantehene na and Maganam say, any other day. See, at some point in time, maybe a trouble. I have to be honest. Never cry me green say, and they were too for him. Can say who be an answer, say Mentiasi. But so transiness, I would drink quite cheaper, critical thinking, I drink quite that. We say, there's Asantehene. Why would Asantehene encourage Galam say in Ashanti region? Why for what? Because think about it, Obuasi gold mines, one of the deepest and also one of the richest gold mine in the world after South Africa. I am saying Ashanti gold mine is one of the deepest and also richest. I just say gold is shot Obuasi Asasiasino, Ashanti region and Yaso Kitwa. And to the point is, why would Asantehene engage himself in Galamsey? Adia Obuasi gold no. I just say gold mines, the crime say a Kulasio say go bankruptcy. Otumfoᴐ kura ne kope ska kope loan ne bush said the bear revival of Boasi gold mine and it's Asantehene pe gold wa the point is Asantehene Otumfoᴐ pe gold wa I didn't know Boasi gold deep ewo ho na ne onko develop on no ntisa gold no sik eno ne ska wom ade no ntuna o Galamsey on college Galamsey sa no kitenkiti we no na o sense you what is the point and it's all you be our dream power quite there and then you tell who seriously, me friend, me see, I have to admit, maybe a tram could not make drinks. I don't know. Say, that make you confused. Say, no, Otumfoᴐ said, Asante region, your friend say, and she has said only other Galamsey, no, and Otumfoᴐ other, she can't when you be an answer, but so transit, you know, because that's what we call critical thinking. No, be someone say, now you gold mines here, guno, or no, compare, and so compare for investors, be near the city by ya, umbe stati etu gold no adia se nti opa obetumi invest on one sika odi ni sika bi be invest obeto shares na no invest se dia gold ni ba omutua no wa gene share ade nti no onye sa na Galamsey and oko support ahimfo bi ni kofo bi se mututu yemfa sika mre no wa Ashanti. What is the point? Enti omo criticize Ashanti say na Galamsey otu god Galamsey ni ade ni nyina ye balloon is bull crap. It doesn't hold water. It doesn't make it. It doesn't make any sense. What do I say? And so bit in China say, who criticize Asantehene Nama, Ganam saying the idea. Yes, well, you're here was Asante region. But who hear more? And your money, the first warrior Asantehene one doesn't mean to be beer, a cost at the body be a cost will be ano, or whom we. Or is it or rely on a beer, ne aids, no, send assistants near the to, give him information near that. But what a big crowd so there's a lot of they are giving Asantehene misinformation. And I say, when you get the right information, it could be possible. American president, near the sometimes assistant near the mislead you. And to the point making say only Pacrona or sending or commenting on me one of my videos, I can say. On the problem on one is Otumfoᴐ say most of the bloggers na Asante bloggers near that who got to criticize Asantehene. No, Musu threatening near that. Criticism, what type of criticism? And in what manner? How do you stretch and answer frame your criticism? Is it negative criticism and I say positive and I say constructive one? Yeah, there may be some policy differences be with Otumfoᴐ Asantehene Akunya Sembi, say no Missy Akunya be and fire no near idea. Yeah, you may have every right to point it out and I say be able to me at discussion and also be to me a raise or concerns. But that is different from say who did it or Yenatem and Asantehene you say no Asantehene any pass and some people are mean to me repeating her and on your criticism no. You see, it is certainly so you see that kind of say negative criticisms there, and it's our forces almost supporting them, so they will come after you. That's how it is, and everywhere. America, Quran, is a democracy near that. Who could did Trump? But tell when I say bad and tell, yeah, Democrat and Republicans, they come after you, they come at you. And it's sanity, and only yeah, can't, mommy and can't cry. And the person just say, so Asantehene and I say, Asantehene Bianca say, Asantehene Nyamekese the boss on near Assassin. Since you can say, Otumfoᴐ Osei Tutu Nyamekese. And no, don't take it literally. In fact, verbatim say, in fact, literal meaning, and I say exact meaning of that word, no. And no, just say, first of all, Mami can say, if we are seeing why we nipa da sini biano. The only way the only way I'll be making sense of the world, but you may be and you make comparison. That is what the brain does that every seconds, every constantly. And it's all kinds of what thinking. Anytime you say you're thinking, basically what you're doing is you're making association and comparison. And the comparison there, it will never, it's an intrinsic part of human condition. And I say humanity. The only way you can say, you're critical thinking, basically what you're doing is you are comparing things. Because the reason I wouldn't say I did be a papa, say you know what is bad. Wouldn't so he know Kesia, they wouldn't know him or Ketwa. And to comparison, to say, because Otumfoᴐ Nyamekese, in a way, you say Yakupon Alpha and Omega or powerful, all powerful. And to because as a sister nipa, mortal human being be Nyamekese. And not just what say nipa no, obet my bo, nipa da seni, and I say, on the bomb from a nipa, just or person, just say, Nyamekese, Otumfoᴐ or power beer, and I say, ni status no song, ni status no song, a figurative, and I say a metaphor. So, just making association and I say comparison. And I'm kind of say, if we are saying, what do you mean, try you as an say, who make a comparison? Every day we all make comparison. Consciously or on subconscious level, our brain, that is how the brain makes sense of the word. We all do every day. Sometimes you have control over it, many times you don't have control over it, but that is how brain understands. That is how human beings understand the word. And so because it make a comparison, say, and also be making, it say, Otumfoᴐ Nyamekese. It doesn't mean say Asantehene Nyankopon. And Otumfoᴐ Nkojina baby, Emi and also Nyame. Or quite sorry them, yin whom so quite sorry them, Kubunkyo or so for him, edgy communion, there be a Nyankopon boss, and I say, Okutu, anybody saying, and answer so for him. No, and that right there, no, you'll be out here by dinner. You know, say, Otumfoᴐ and Kase with Nyankopon that, and some air can, I'm running on born on just association, it's just making emphasis by using comparison. That's all that is. And sanity, and command person me say, when did Asantehene, say he is God or Nyame or Nyankopon, the creator of heaven and earth? One can be that. And he said, more mo criticizing on the say, say Asantefoᴐ Otumfoᴐ so Nyame obian cancer. And Nyamekese na can a figurative and that's a metaphor. Metaphor there is just making a comparison, and that's just drawing association just to emphasize, an entity, and I say something baby, and I say nipa. It doesn't necessarily mean say literally mean, and I say exact meaning of that word. Sanity, is a matter of thinking. So, and there's difference between constructive criticism and negative one, and I say insult. Now, most of the criticisms now, level against Asante, towards Asante, they all negative ones. Until the man and so you might so move back, issue some threatening words be an answer comments be near that. It is sanity. Kuku jaya keka beja. It is that's all I have for you. And to this Africa Professor, subscribe, share with friends and family, and I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.